Hey, greetings everyone. This is Tony Holowitz, and I want to talk to you about update number 18 in Act Premium Cloud. It's actually 25-18. So in this update, what they've done is they've done some cosmetic updates in the way things look and what some of your options are. So they've tried to update the user interface, what you see when you open up Act Premium Cloud. They tried to modernize it. Now, Act's been around a long time, and some of the old looks through the years look somewhat dated. So what they've done is they've created more of a grid view that almost looks like an Excel spreadsheet right in the bottom of Act. Now, a couple things you should know about these columns. You can select which columns you want to show in these grid views. Depending on where you are in Act, some of the choices might vary slightly, but they've updated the grid view and they've also added pagination. Now, when I looked at this, I said, okay, I know what that means, but I don't really know what it means. You know those words? So pagination means number the pages of, and I had to look that up. So when you look down at the bottom, now you can choose, do you want to see 100 pages, or I'm sorry, 100 items, 50 or 25. So it keeps it consistent. So it depends on how much you want to scroll before you go to the next page. So these are some of the changes it made. Instead of the tag mode, which it's just one of those things I rarely use. Now there's checkboxes. The top check checks all of them. Sometimes if you're trying to check most of them, I'll check everything and uncheck the ones I don't want. So it just gives you some different options. There's also some minor changes to the KPI look, the key performance indicators. This is an area I rarely personally use inside of ACT. Again, even though I'm an ACT teacher and consultant, I don't use every single thing the software offers. So on that note, again, there's some differences at the task list, some of the ways it looks. And again, you can choose 25, 50, or 100 records. And again, as always, there's some bug fixes that you can review, see if anything's been driving you a little bit crazy about Act. Maybe you noticed something that I didn't notice. These are the bug fixes. So the key point here is when they do the updates, they're always trying to just help it be a better software program. So it's evolving, it's changing, and it keeps updating. Okay, my friends, Tony Holowitz, thank you so very much. Have a great one. Bye now.